I wanna settle down. I wanna settle down. Won't you settle down with me? Settle down. We can settle at a table for two. Won't you wine and dine with me? Settle down.
Hey, I ain't really tryna be rude, but I'm tryna get you in the mood. The one when you make it do what it do. It's the nighttime and I'm with my crew, so fuck a table or two. We hit your friends up so we can get wild like a zoo. I've been staring at you for a minute, and that ass is a killing, and I'm the eyewitness, so please let me finish. No need to bring up the past, cause when I'm done eating this beat, that's a dine and dash. You a dime, and let me be Steve Nash. Or we could get reckless like a car crash. Only time can tell, and I ain't got time to waste, so can we kinda move at my pace? My place, no internet, but you in my space. Let's have a face to face. You better finish first, cause when I'm done, I gotta skate.
I wanna settle down. Won't you settle down with me? Settle down. We can settle at a table for two. Won't you wine and dine with me? Settle down.
Alright, come here, so check this out, right? It's really nice to meet ya, and no, I ain't a creeper, but I'm staring at your features, cause the pep rally's over. Let's move it to the bleachers, I'm a wine and dine guy, so you better buy my time. When you first hear me rhyme, you gon' be left sublime. Now let's run it back, I ain't trying to get off track. Wanna take you home so I can show you where I'm staying at. Always keep it clean, something like a brand new Magnovirus with me. I'm strapped up for protection, let's get it to undress. In school's now in session, and I'm here with a new lesson. I'ma teach you how to treat a lady, maybe even drive her crazy. There won't be a need for that Mercedes, spitting game straight from Hades. Not trying to have no babies, wanna see her shake it like an earthquake in Hades. Call me Jon Stewart, I'ma do her on the daily.
I wanna settle down. I wanna settle down. Won't you settle down with me? Settle down. We can settle at a table for two. Won't you wine and dine with me? Settle down.
Female of my dreams, yeah, I seen her on the magazine. Now I'm on the red carpet with her, hopping out the limousine. Now shit is jumping like a trampoline. Let's get into it, quit the bullshit and watch the bull spit. Going dumb on the track, acting foolish.
So cut the bullshit, I learned about you shady bitches. Hungry for the money, so you marrying the riches.
Burning bridges, and I ain't even got the flame. I should've known you was only after my change. Now me and X co-op like a campaign.
We sipping champagne, cause KG the beast that you can't tame. Excuse me if I sound mean, but we only after a few things. Making music and big dreams of getting this cream. So ears closed if you disagree, but if you fucking with the team, let me hear you scream.